be landing in a few minutes. Please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Cabin crew, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Sa ating mga pasahero, sa loob po lamang ng ilang sandali, tayo ay lalabag na. Tiyakin na nakakabit ang inyong mga seatbelt. Sa lahat ng cabin crew, manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang seatbelt.
Mobile Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Davao. Time now for inconvenience, 7 minutes past the hour 5 in the afternoon. Day today, 6th of September 2025 on a Saturday.
Mabuhay! Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly disembarkation, we ask everyone on board to remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We will commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance. Those with connecting flights will be given priority. If you need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of the captain and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay! Kalalapag po lamang natin. Mangyaring manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang inyong seatbelts hanggang ang seatbelt sign ay hindi na nakailaw.